Hey guys, today, let's learn how to earn money with Leonardo AI. So if you guys want to go ahead and earn money using Leonardo AI, in this video tutorial, I'm gonna teach you guys, step by step, just how to basically do this. The police watch this video until the end to find out how. Alright guys, so what we need to do for us is, I would like you guys to be aware of this new method that we can actually do, which is to utilize a specific service called print on demand. Now, there are multiple platforms that you could utilize in order to use this service, and one of those platforms are Redbubble. So go ahead and search for Redbubble on your browsers guys, and I want you to go ahead and locate their website. Once you're already here, go ahead and proceed with, of course, creating your own account. But in this case, you would like to go ahead and basically create the Atari account. So in this case, go ahead and proceed with signing up as an artist so that you could set up your shop and also post your own creations on the Redbubble application so that people who would like to avail the print-on-demand services on this platform could, of course, avail your services and make you earn money, of course. If you're just an average user and don't really know anything about art and creating or digital art, well, that's where the Leonardo AI software comes in. He could easily go ahead and basically launch the Leonardo AI software on your web browsers, and to do so, all we need to do is to search for Leonardo.ai. Proceed with tapping on the 3 lines and tapping on Launch App. Now, if you have your R account already logged in, it's automatically gonna show you this option to create your own AI images. But if in otherwise, you haven't done so, go ahead and just log in real quick so that you could go ahead and be on my same page. Now once we're here, let's tap on the 3 lines again on the top right corner, and I want you to proceed with tapping on AI image. Now once you're here, go ahead and basically tap on this prompt, and here is where you guys could describe the specific prompts that your customers would like to print on demand. Now of course, whatever you guys go ahead and enter here, that is gonna come from your customers on the Redbubble platform. So that is how basically the general information that you guys need to know. I guess you have a ballpark or an idea of what I'm talking about with using Leonardo AI and using the Redbubble software to create your print-on-demand platform and also services to market. You were a Leonardo AI results. And basically, that's it for this video. Thank you, guys, for watching. Please like this video and subscribe as well if you guys learned something, and take care.